This is the new Amazon Echo Plus. Look familiar? Well, that's because it looks from the outside exactly like the original Amazon Echo, which was recently replaced by this new Echo, which is smaller and has more buttons. Confused yet? Well, don't feel bad, we were too. And then we learned from Amazon that the Plus includes, among other things, a new smart home hub built right inside. So now you can use Alexa to control devices directly. You can even set up routines and scenes. What else is new for this speaker? Well, it's supposed to sound better as well. We'll see if that plays out in our Amazon Echo Plus review. Okay, so here's the Echo Plus and the original Echo side by side. As you can see, like I said, almost exactly the same. You still have just one control button, a mute switch up top, volume dial, and of course you'll see the blue LEDs around here a little bit later. The one difference you can spot from the outside is the addition of this new audio output jack. Right behind this little door is a 3.5mm output, so you can connect the Echo Plus to a more powerful speaker or a full-on home theater system. The folks at Amazon seem to have taken a page from the Sonos Simplicity playbook when it comes to setting up a smart home system, because this is extremely easy. Once you've connected the Echo Plus to the internet and Alexa is up and running, you just hit the Smart Home tab in the setup menu and you can start adding devices. Click Add Device and it's going to find that lamp or smart plug that you may have plugged in, and then you just start grouping these together. You can actually make groups. Like here we have the media room group, and this is actually going to group our 3 different smart lighting devices together. We've also created a media room audio group so that we have 2 speakers paired for multi-room audio. There's also a scene section where you can sort of set up certain scenes. You can tell Alexa, start this scene, and it's going to dim lights, and you can also set up routines soon. That's a new feature that hasn't been released yet, so we can't show it to you, but it is on the way, says Amazon. Once you set up your smart home devices, you can start controlling them with your smart speaker. Alexa, turn on light strip. Now you could place this behind your TV as a sort of ambient light, as we have here, or you could put it under your kitchen cabinetry if you wanted. And from there, you can change the color and dim it. Alexa, make the light strip blue. Alexa, dim the light strip by 50%. Now, if you want to invest in Philips Hue bulbs, Alexa can control those as well. Alexa, turn on window lamp. Alexa, dim window lamp by 50%. Alexa, turn off the lights in the media room. That will shut off all of the lights. Alexa, turn on the lights in the media room. And then all the lights will come on in the room, including that light strip, which we made part of the group. So as a smart home hub, Alexa works really, really well. I'm pleased with how simple it is to set things up and then control them. But how is the new Echo Plus as a speaker? Well, I'm afraid I have some bad news, and it gives me no pleasure to say this, but the new Echo Plus doesn't sound nearly as good as the original Echo. The sound quality has gone downhill. There's not as much bass, it's not as rich a sound, and the treble sounds a little bit brittle. Also, it doesn't get as loud. Here's a comparison between the two. I've got both speakers set to the same volume, playing the same clip of music. Alexa, play.
Call the police and the fireman are too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. And my band bought that money, break it down.
So side by side, the sound differences are pretty obvious, but you're not going to listen to them side by side. Frankly, I don't think the small downturn in sound quality is a problem here. It still sounds respectable. It's a decent sounding speaker, and you can connect it to a better speaker or speaker system if you want to. What's more important here is that the new Echo Plus has more functionality. It's an excellent smart home hub. It's a really easy way for you to get into some of these smart home devices. Plus, the price came down by about $30 over the original $180 price that the original Echo came out at. So it's less expensive, it's higher performance, sound quality is still totally fine. For me, the new Amazon Echo Plus is a great smart speaker.